surge protector must be suitable for you. Hey, hello my friends, welcome back to the BESTEK product show, and this is Richard. Today I'm going to introduce you an amazing surge protector with 8 PC outlets plus 4 USB charging ports. Okay, firstly let's look at the basic information of this surge protector. It has been certified by ETL with high safety protection. It could overload it, 1875 watt power maximum, and the overall USB output is 5V and 4.2 amp. In general, it has a very beautiful design with high quality and excellent material. 6-foot long copper wire, pretty strong and stable. The surface is made of V0 level fire resistance materials, which will make it work well even under very high temperature. Slots on the back just in case you want to mount it on your television stand or on the wall. It also built in overload protection function, lighted on and off power switch to prevent damage to your devices. It will automatically switch off once it's overloaded. It also has a pretty nice design of slippery protection. Here's one thing you need to notify. It even has USB caps which could prevent from dust and bugs going into it. It will also be safe for your children. Pretty neat and intimate design. We always get into this trouble. We cannot find enough outlets for multiple devices. But now, with this surge protector, we don't need to worry about this problem at all. Now, as you can see, it's working very well even with these 12 devices plugged in. Your life with power.